不好意思啊，我们马上点。
你还饿吗？
我不饿，是你说你饿的。
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn beginner Chinese with the series Dear Missy, 了不起的女孩, Episode 1. The link to the main video is given in the description.
对不起，我来晚了。
我来晚了. I'm late. Here we have the structure verb plus complement. The verb is 来 to come, and the complement is 晚 late. This is a very common structure in Chinese. The complement explains the result of the action. Another example, 做好, do something good. It means to prepare. Food, for example.
对不起，我来晚了。抱歉，我刚刚一直在忙，我跟你说了。
我刚刚一直在忙. I was busy just now. 刚刚 means just now. It refers to the near past. 一直 continuously, all along. 一直在忙 working all along, being busy all along. 忘跟你说了. I forgot to tell you. The structure is 跟 plus someone plus 说. It means tell someone. How do we say I told him? 我跟他说了. Remember, we never say 我说他了.
抱歉，我刚刚一直在忙，我跟你说了。带了没有啊？
我带了，你看一下是不是这个？
带了没有? It's actually 你带了没有? In spoken Mandarin Chinese, you may omit a personal pronoun if the listener already knows it. How do we say you brought? 你带了. How do we say did you bring? We want to make it into a yes-no question. We usually add the particle ma at the end of the sentence. But in sentences which have le, another way of making a yes-no question is to add 没有 after le. 你带了没有?
带了没有啊？
我带了。
Did you bring it? 你带了没有? How do we say yes? In Mandarin Chinese, in order to say yes, we often repeat the verb of the previous sentence. So, in this context, 带了 is the same as yes.
带了没有啊？
我带了，你看一下是不是这个？
你看看是不是这个? See if it is this. 你看看 have a look. Why is the verb 看 repeated? We can repeat a verb to give it an informal tone. Like have a look, have a seat.
不可能，
真的，大家都知道。
大家都知道. Everybody knows. 大家 everybody, all. 都 all. What's the purpose of 都 here? We use 都 to emphasize the large quantity of something. While it seems redundant, using 都 after 大家 makes your Chinese sound more natural.
不可能，
真的，大家都知道。
你也要走啊？
对呀，没办法。
没办法 I have no choice. 办法 choice. 没有 can be shortened to 没. For example, 我没有钱 I don't have money can also be said 我没钱。
你也要走啊？
对呀，没办法。
Before we move on, if you like such videos, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.
那我走了啊。慢点啊。
Adjective plus 点 means be adjective. 点 is used to add a sense of request to the sentence. For example, 慢点 literally means be slow or take care. Question. 快 means quick. How do you say be quick in Chinese? Write down the correct answer in the comments section. Watch the video until the end and you'll find the answer.
那我走了啊。慢点啊。不好意思啊，我们马上点。
你还饿吗？
我不饿，是你说你饿的。
是你说你饿的。It was you who said you were hungry. The structure is 是 plus sentence plus the. This structure is used to emphasize details like who, when, where. For example, 是谁说的 Who said? 是我说的 I said. It was me who said.
不好意思啊，我们马上点。
你还饿吗？
我不饿，是你说你饿的。
变漂亮了啊！
你变老了。
变 plus adjective means to become adjective. For example, 你变老了 You have become old. 了 indicates a change in situation. It means you were not old before, but now you have become old.
变漂亮了啊！
你变老了。
你说我怎么这么傻？
我怎么又相信他了呢？
你说我怎么这么傻 You say why I'm so fool. 怎么 means how, what, why. Here it means why. For example, 你怎么不去 Why aren't you going? 我怎么又相信她了呢 How did I trust her again? 怎么 means how. For example, 你怎么知道 How do you know? 又 means again. 相信 to trust. How do we say trust me? 相信我。
你说我怎么这么傻？
我怎么又相信他了呢？
开始吧。
我先说明一下。
开始吧。Let's start. Why do we use 吧 It indicates a suggestion or mild command. 我先说明一下。Let me clarify a bit first. The structure is verb plus 一下. It gives an informal tone, like, let me explain a little bit. How do we say sit down a little? 坐一下。
开始吧。
我先说明一下。
Let's get back to the question of the video. How do you say be quick in Chinese? The answer is 快点。Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.